A brilliant way to get rid of wasps and hornets. I always hang this simple yet effective trap a few yards from the patio. It takes just a moment to prepare. All you need is a regular plastic bottle. Using a utility knife, cut it at about 1/3 of its height. Place the cut-off top part upside down into the bottle, forming a funnel shape. Then, with a heated soldering iron, make 2 small holes through both layers of plastic. Add 2 tablespoons of white sugar to the bottom. The sugar acts as a scent lure, its sweet aroma attracting wasps and hornets from a distance. Thread 2 pieces of string through the holes so the trap can be hung. Now for the bait. Open a bottle of cheap beer, the cheapest you can find will do, and pour it inside the bottle. Hang the trap on a fence or a tree branch near the patio, a few yards away from where you relax. The sweet aroma will draw the wasps and hornets in, and once inside, they won't be able to get out. This way, you can enjoy your time on the patio in peace, breathing fresh air without the constant buzzing overhead.